Welcome back to the Tracy Show. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make these fun DIY keychains out of Ankara fabric. I have a quarter of fabric here. I'm going to go ahead and cut out. I did 3 inches wide, 5 inches in length to start this project. Here I have the Ankara fabric. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit to make sure that all of my sides and edges are nice and smooth. I'm going to be using some heavyweight interfacing to make sure that the keychain is durable and able to stand the test of time. So I'm going to be pressing my fabric to the fusible heavyweight interfacing to create that nice sturdiness for the keychain. I'm pressing my fabric corners, edges, and sides down. I'm leaving one side open and not pressed down on the ends. This is where we're going to sandwich the two pieces together on the end. So you see here I have one side folded under and pressed down. I folded both pieces together, pinning it, and I left one side free because that's the side that we're going to sandwich into the folded edge. Now we're going to get ready to sandwich the raw edge into the folded edge. I've also already inserted my keychain clip. I'm going to go ahead and pin this portion down, the raw edge and the folded edge together, making a seam across and continuing my continuous 1/8 seam all the way down till it meets the other side. I'm going to press the final pieces together and continue to sew across at the top to secure the clip. And we have a fun little keychain. Thank you so much for watching the Tracy Show. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos and subscribe.